tasting good. Welcome back. Hope you're having a good day. So I always like to start my mornings slow whenever possible. Today I know it's going to be busy, so I'm going to make something really quick and easy for lunch. Most days we don't eat breakfast, so that's normal for us. But yeah, I'm going to make smoked sardine sandwiches, which is going to have sardines, obviously, and eggs, so it's going to be packed with protein. We're going to use our delicious homemade mayo. So it's honestly, it's not the first time I made this. I've made this plenty of times, and it's really just one of my go-tos whenever I am in a rush. I'm just having one of those days where it's super busy. I'll whip up something like this and bam, everybody's happy. So to start off, I squeeze in half a lemon and a teaspoon of kosher salt and 1 egg. And I just whip that together until it's nice and fluffy. And then I add a teaspoon or so of granulated garlic. I like the addition of garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can skip that. But I do like the garlic in there. It just makes it much more flavorful and more complex, so I do like the addition of garlic, and half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. You want to use good quality oil, so I'll be using extra virgin olive oil. My consistency here is not as thick as a store-bought mayo, but if you want it to be really thick, you could add more oil if you wanted to. So, but I'm happy with this consistency. It's kind of like aioli, so which is fine with me. These kind of salads, I like to add something briny, something pickly. For some crunch, I like to add something like celery. And I also like to have a creamy factor, which is gonna be my egg, and of course the mayo, the beautiful mayo that we made. So with that kind of base, you already have something that is gonna be very delicious and just comforting. So for the pickle factor, I'm gonna use cucumber, and then for the briny factor, I'm gonna use olives. I don't always add olives, but if I do have them on hand, I definitely add them because it just adds more flavor into these kind of salads. So I do like to add olives if I do have them on hand. What are your favorite go-tos when it comes to making quick meals for lunch or any time of the day, really? Because I know sometimes it's just nice to have, you know, those easy meals that you can whip up in minutes and you can just be like, hey, here you go, bam. I'd love to know what your quick go-to meals are. Comment below and let me know. Clean up a little bit. Isn't that such a gorgeous color? I love that it's nice and airy too. Like I said, I'm using wild-caught smoked sardines, but you can use any canned fish that you have on hand. In fact, I sometimes use wild-caught salmon as well, the ones that come in the can. So I'll use that instead of sardines. Whatever really that you have on hand is fine. Okay, let's build these sandwiches. I'm using ciabatta bread, but you can use any bread you like. You guys, this turned out so delicious. I'm not making it up, honestly. Try it. Let me know what you think. Of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts on any of my recipes that you try. So do let me know and leave me a comment. I would be delighted to hear from you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It means a lot to me and it helps me out so much. I'll talk to you later.